Hello buddy, my name is Destiny, and today I'll be showing you how to fix a scenario where your brightness decreases for no reason whatsoever. So let's begin. This will work on Xiaomi devices. Also, this method might work for other phone manufacturers. So try it out and hopefully it helps. So the first thing that may be causing the issue is automatic brightness, which pretty much adapts the brightness based on the surroundings. So if like you're in a dark environment, it's gonna choose the most optimal brightness, and that can cause it. And how you can fix this: go to settings, display, automatic brightness, and that's it. The second method I would suggest doing is updating your OS, because in this case the Xiaomi that I was using had a old version of MIUI, so it had like MIUI 12 or something, so it had a quite a older and less optimized version. I suggest updating in that regard. So by updating, you should provide your phone with new features, optimizations, and stability features which may fix the issue. And the third possible fix would be that you mess around with in-app settings. So for example, I don't know if you're using Instagram and that random dimness only occurs whilst you're using Instagram, then try going inside Instagram settings and try to fidget and mess around with settings there. There might be a option to help it. This was it from this short and easy tutorial. Drop a like, sub, and I'll see you next one. Bye.